Here is how to make your first $100 writing articles online. To get started, go to this website arivedo.com and sign up as a writer. So currently I'm already a writer at arivedo.com. You can see my profile up here. That is me. I have already written for them and I was paid $100 for my first neighborhood guide for the Casa Hotel in Nairobi. You can see that neighborhood guide here. I was paid $100 for that. So you can make $100 for being a writer on arivedo.com, and I'm proof that that is possible. I was paid $100 for this. And for my second hotel, these guys were willing to pay me $200 for an hotel guide. You can see that here on Gmail. Let me just get that. You can see for Birch Resort in Naivasha, I was supposed to do that guide and I was supposed to be paid. They said we will pay you $200 for it. Yeah, so it's very easy to become a writer in Kenya and to make money writing neighborhood guides. If that is what you want to do, if you want to become a travel writer, go to arivedo.com and create an account. If you want more ways on how to make money online, click the link on my bio, and if you like this video, go ahead and click on that plus sign, click on the like button, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.